They told me to wear helmets and a life vest to make me float in case I forget how to swim.
Teacher, rafting is very expensive.
No, it was not expensive.
Teacher, my
It was
teacher.
like 20,000 won.
Teacher, my teacher rafting with her boyfriend and this and something too and
Okay.
this something is some sounding 오리
What do you think the sound was?
No sound something 부딪히다. Hit the pebble and
Like a rock?
she looked at and people died. People died.
What are you talking
People
about?
died. 뭐야? 아니 사람 씻었대.
True story?
No, teacher. Boyfriend and girlfriend have a wrestling. So my teacher and under the raft there was there were sound. And you see there are dead people. Yes.
Was this in the news?
Yes. I no use. My teacher says she looked at and.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay, can we talk about something a little happier? I don't want to talk about that. Interesting story, but come on. Well, that's not what happened to me when I went rafting. Okay? It doesn't happen every time you go rafting. Or ever, except maybe once.
This is very happy story. When we go to the rafting, it says when the guide says and we have to say
You guys make me tired. You're going to be sick talking about all these dead people. Okay, so Shell, what do you guys think about that? Egg, that's exactly what I thought too. Why do you think he's talking about an egg? Let's think about this. Why? Protect?
It breaks easily.
It does break easily. It's what? Do you know another word for breaking easily? Starts with an F.
Fresh.
No.
Fresh.
No. It's okay. It's okay. Breaks easily. Yeah.
Shell is like when we go to ocean. Like this. Shell. 달팽이야. 달팽이 like this.
That's another shell. We'll talk about that in a second. Breaks easily, though. The egg shell breaks easily. We say that it is fragile. Fragile.
What is it?
It means breaks easily. It means the same thing. It breaks easily. It's spelled breaks. Okay. So, Esther, what did you say again? You said something about the ocean.
Yes.
So what do you mean by shell?
There live something. And we can eat.
So like oysters?
Yes.
You know oysters?
Yes.
Delicious, right?
Not delicious.
No?
Yes.
Jake, what's your favorite food?
Oysters.
Jake, what's your favorite food?
Oysters.
No.
Wow.
That's his favorite food. Oysters, very delicious.
I think it is so.
No, I've seen him. He eats oysters. A lot. Many oysters.
샌들 캔디.
Oh, mine now.
Mine.
Okay. So oysters, you guys know about mussels?
Yes.
That's very popular here. The black shells. Black, we call those mussels. Not like mussels like this. It's spelled different. Delicious. I like those.
I don't like that.
Really?
무슨 뭔데? 진짜 많아.
You're boring.
몰라.
Your taste is very boring. So what does the shell do for these animals? Everything. What do these shells do? What's their function? Why do they have shells?
Protect.
Protect. Thank you. Protect. So, what else can protect you?
Helmets.
Helmets. Okay, so this would be like a shell for your head, right?
Clothes.
Clothes. Really? Yeah, from cold weather. Good job. Okay, let's move on. We know shell. Alright. So, who wants to read first?
Nobody.
Esther, you volunteered. Okay, you can read the first paragraph, please.
If you get stuck in quicksand or go to classroom at school, you should stay very still and try to get on your back so that we can swim out of it. Priscilla?
Yeah, perfect.
From Miss Cluster, is there quicksand on your playground? No, dear. Miss Cluster said, "Alright, please sit down."
Okay, so if you get stuck in a place, you are unable to what?
See, get away from.
Get away from it?
Name is Miss Cluster is a very funny name.
Yeah, it is kind of a funny name. Why?
Plastic. Like plastic.
I don't know if I know what you mean. It kind of sounds like plastic, I guess.
Very
Cluster.
funny name.
Not very funny, just plastic. Plastic.
So, does anybody agree with John? Get away from?
No.
What do you think it is?
Stay away from.
You think it's stay away
I
from?
don't know.
What's the difference between get away and stay away?
Get away means can't go there.
Get away, well,
So I'm staying. I think I'm A.
you think you want to be A now. Okay,
No,
so
I'm A.
you're B.
Yes.
Okay, well, let's not talk about A, B, and C. Let's talk about what they said. So are you stay away from, get away from, or get near?
I mean, get away from.
Get away from.
Yeah, she.
I'm B.
Does anybody know what quicksand is?
Huh?
What's quicksand?
그거.
In TOEFL. Okay, well, that's a start. What is quicksand? John said exploded. What? In the stomach? In the desert, okay. So sand is in the desert, right? So how is quicksand?
That sentence is like
The water.
So it has water in it. Okay, so if I'm in quicksand and I'm going down, right?
Wow.
What is difficult for me? I'm stuck. So what makes me stuck? Is one of the answers is right here, right? But how would we describe it?
Can't get away from.
Can't get away from. You can't get away from the sand. Can't stay away means that, ooh, that sand looks nice. I'm gonna walk right into it. I can't help myself. Okay? So when someone frowns, he or she is what? Surprised? So you surprised someone? I'm frowning right now. Why am I doing that? Because I'm annoyed.
In your heart.
There's a lot of reasons to frown. Mostly it's when you're sad. But out of these reasons, the best answer would be annoyed. Okay?
you read.
No. Sandra. Will you read the second paragraph, please?
During recess.
Recess, yes.
Recess, Miss Gloucester kept owls inside. I can see that you like to be prepared at all times, she said. Maybe you can prepare a plan so that our class can handle a real emergency. What do you think? To our words, these sounded like homework. How about earthquakes? Miss Gloucester suggested. After all, We do live in an earthquake zone. Almost like the idea.
So,
This Albert is Einstein.
that would be a coincidence. He has the same name as Albert Einstein. His last name is probably different. Right? But yes, his name's Albert and that is the same. Alright, so if you say that someone can handle a situation, you mean that he or she has the blank to deal with it successfully. Has the time? Ability? Okay. Nobody thinks right?
Yeah.
Good, because right is wrong. Okay? So ability or time? How many people say time?
Me.
Sanders going with time. He's staying strong. Ability. What do you think? Okay, Esther, give me your answer. You volunteered yourself by not volunteering at all. You're A.
Or C.
Okay, which one? Which one?
I'm not A. Me too, A.
Ability. Time actually makes sense in the sentence, but the best answer is ability. Okay? You can handle something if you have enough time, but not always. Sometimes, even if you have enough time, you can't handle it. You don't have the ability to deal with it. Okay?
Think about
B.
You haven't asked the question yet. You didn't even want to answer the last question. Now you're answering the question before we even talk about it. Okay, so if you suggest something, you give an idea for someone to what?
B. Think about.
Think about it. Good. Think about it. Write it down. Sophie. Number 3.
This is the earth.
Louder.
This is the earth.
Thank you.
Said the moving up and the hurt ball as he cracked the ass against the desk. Then he picked the ass and showed the class its cracked shell. This is what the earth looked like under that moon. It's not one solid cell. It's a bunch of this called tectonic plates. They clap and run against each other, which causes earthquakes.
Okay, good job. Good job. A lot of tough words in that paragraph.
Damage.
What's that?
Damage.
So if you crack something, it becomes slightly blank. So yeah, if I crack an egg, it doesn't become softer. It doesn't become bigger. It becomes damaged.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
The shell of an object.
For that.
What does it do?
She.
Right there, I gave that one away, didn't I? Okay. So a solid object stays in the blank shape whether it's in a container or not. Stays in the different shape. So a solid object, give me an example of a solid.
Example.
Yes. The air, is that solid?
No.
No. Is a glass of orange juice a solid?
No.
Is one of Sanders' shoes a solid?
Yes.
So if we put one of Sanders' shoes in a box, does the shape of his shoes change?
No.
No, it stays the same.
Yeah.
So what do you think the answer is? B. Thank you.
B.
Good.
C.
It's gonna ring soon. You guys did a good job. So next period we're gonna take a quiz on this story. We'll have a quiz. Okay, you understand? We only do that every other day. So we can play a game or something.
Can I get